Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under sequence and series, the GP. So the sum of the first four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, the sum of all of them of an exponential series is given as 15 on 8. And the common ratio, the difference between the second term and the first term is half. So you have to find the first term. We have to find the first term. So let's do a recall. Or first of all, let's bring out the data. We know the sum, S stands for the sum or the series of the first four terms is what we have been given as 15 on 8. R, which is the common ratio, is given as this. Per recall, we know the sum of the first n terms. Let me just write it. So sum of the first n terms is given by always given by, we have Sn equals to a 1 minus r exponent n in this bracket, then 1 minus r here. Now this is what we are using because our r is less than 1 from the question. The common ratio is what? Half, which is less than 1. So we subtract this from the 1. It will also be the other way around. If the common ratio is more than 1, then the common ratio comes before the 1. So now here we can do our substitution. Since S4, Sn, we can use that common ratio, half. We can substitute. So we can say that our Sn being 4 equals to a 1 minus r, which is 1 over 2 exponent n, which is the n changed to 4, divided by 1 minus 1 over 2, that is the same as 15 on 8. Why? This is equal to this. So we can now compute from here, leaving this out. What did we do? Let's look at it carefully. We have our a still intact. 1 minus 1 square, 1 to the power 4 will be 1. 2 to the power 4 will be 16, divided by 1 minus half will give us half, and that is still equals to 15 on 8. So this right here is the same as 16 divided by 16. So if it is 16 divided by 16, they have the same denominator. So we only subtract the numerator. 16 minus 1, that will give us 15. So I have a times 15 divided by 16 divided by 1 on 2 equals to 15 over 8. If I like, I can cross multiply since I have a fraction as a numerator, fraction as denominator. So all this will multiply this and this will multiply this. Or in the case of this, I treat this as a division, meaning a times that will be 15a divided by 16 divided by 1 on 2 equals to 15 on 8. So that in the case of this, I change this to become a multiplication and reciprocate the second fraction, meaning 15a over 16 times 2 on 1 equals to 15 on 8. So that this can cancel this, this will multiply, this and this are multiplying, but 2 can easily divide 16. So I'll be having 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So what do I have? I'm having 15a divided by 8 equals to 15 over 8. So if we check carefully, this is the same as this, the same denominator. The numerators must be the same. And I'm seeing 15, 15. It means the a is going to be 1 before I can get 15, 15. But let's see if we can cross multiply. This times this will be 15 a times 8 equals to 15 times 8. Since A is going to be the coefficient, we divide both sides. So 15 times 8 times A by 15 times 8, 15 times 8, 15 times 8. So they will cancel. So A will be equals to 1. It means the common, the first term that we are looking for is 1. The first term is 1, common ratio is half, then the sum of the first 4 term will be 15 on 8. I believe you grab the concept, how we started from the beginning and arrive at 1. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, follow on Facebook, share with somebody who may need this, and let's get interactive by commenting. Bye-bye.